designing the background for the login screen. So we probably need to already start designing our login screen, because we already learned hopefully about how to come up with your own app idea and how to research to who you are creating and designing your app. And it's about the time to actually take a step further and start doing stuff. First thing, what we are going to do is we need to find an image for our background. So you could go to flickr.com/search/advanced or something like this and do a search on it and found your image. I have already found my image, which is this New York great looking photo. I really like this New York photo. It's probably going to look great on our app. So open up a Photoshop and create a brand new document. Just press a Ctrl+N on your keyboard. We can name it login, whatever. But it's going to be like 640 and the height is going to be 1136. Press OK and you got your blank app canvas document. We set our sizing to 640 by 1136 because it's the default size of the Retina display of iOS 8. Now we can actually delete this background layer and start and place our image of New York in the document like this. We need to place it down so it looks good enough on our page. So something like this looks good enough. Press enter and we can delete this layer. We can call this just a background image or so. Finally, what we need to do with our background of the login screen is to go and grab a rectangle tool, or you can press a U on your keyboard. Grab a black color from color picker and drag like this on top of our image. Alright, close this up and set up the opacity to something like this probably, or maybe even darker. We need to barely see our image, and so the user is not going to get distracted by the towers of the New York. This probably really seems like a good one. And that's it. We got our background set up. The next thing what we are going to do in the next lesson is create our status bar of the iPhone iOS 8.